Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a video editor using Sony Vegas and you've encountered error code 59, don't panic. We're going to break it all down and get you fixed up in no time. This error often pops up in 2025 versions and can be a real headache, but it's usually straightforward to resolve. Let's start with what this error actually means. Error code 59 in Sony Vegas typically indicates a problem with file access or rendering. It might show up when you're trying to import media files, export your project, or even during playback. Essentially, it's your software's way of saying, hey, I can't handle this file right now. This could be due to corrupted files, incompatible formats, or issues with your system's permissions. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One big reason is outdated software. Sony Vegas might not be fully updated, leading to compatibility problems. Another culprit could be file path issues. If your project files are in a restricted folder or on an external drive that's not properly connected, that can trigger the error. Additionally, insufficient RAM or a cluttered cache might be overloading your system, causing Sony Vegas to crash or fail. Alright, onto the solutions. First, make sure your Sony Vegas is up to date. Head to the Help menu, check for updates, and install any available patches. That alone fixes the issue for many users. Next, try restarting your computer and reopening the program. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check your file paths. Ensure all your media files are in an easily accessible location, like your desktop, and that there are no special characters in the file names. You might also want to run Sony Vegas as an administrator by right-clicking the icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This can resolve permission-related errors. Another effective step is to clear the cache. Go to the Options menu in Sony Vegas, find the cache settings, and delete temporary files. If you're dealing with corrupted files, try re-importing them or using a different format. Finally, if nothing seems to help, consider reinstalling Sony Vegas or checking for hardware conflicts. Remember, always back up your projects before making changes. There you have it. Error code 59 shouldn't hold you back anymore. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.